Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to download ChatGPT on Android and should we download this on Android or not. So you don't need to go to Play Store or any other applications where you can download this one. What you want to do is simply go to Google web browser and kindly type chat.openai.com, and this is what it looks like. Tap this one here. And what you're going to do is just simply sign up if you don't have an account yet. If you have, then click login, enter your email address, phone number, and password. Now, to use it or log in easily, you just have to tap this three dots at the top right corner, scroll down, and click this Add to Home screen. Change the name if you want, but I just want to enter ChatGPT, click Add, and then tap it again. Now, if you exit this Google Chrome, you can now simply see this Chat GPT. And what you want to do to use this one is to simply click this. Then it will take you directly to your Chat GPT. So log in your account. But if you have already logged into your account here, then you can immediately use ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, you can sign up using your Google web browser, Microsoft account, and Apple. So that's how you can use this ChatGPT on your Android. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.